अपना भी स्टैंडर्ड है, अपनी भी इज्जत है. वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू गिव ऑल द एग्जाम. दैट्स माई सिंपल एजेंडा फॉर द डे टू डे. सो हाई गाइज, लास्ट वीक वी टॉक्ड अबाउट विच ऑल एग्जाम्स वी कैन टारगेट for the reserved category student. Today we'll talk about which exam to avoid. I'll give you a simple example of Narsi Monji. Yeah, Narsi Monji is a very good college, very good exam. Everything is good, but for if I compare with CET, for those who are based in Bombay, Sydenham College, let's say JBIMS, Sydenham, any take example you can take. Sydenham College have a fees of 1.5 lakh for the open category students. 1.5 lakhs. For the reserved category student, fees is half, 75,000. और कम है, फीस इज 67,000 फॉर OBC कैटेगरी. फॉर SC कैटेगरी फीस इज 2,000 rupees. That's it. So what I'm trying to say is the colleges which are giving you all open seats, why to target those colleges? Like this, there are a lot of colleges in India. I'm going to make a video for that. For that, I need to do a lot of research. So if any one of you can help me for do that, please do that for me. Which are the colleges where fees is less for OBC, SC, ST, so that we can keep an eye on all those colleges. या सो दैट आई कैन टारगेट दोज कॉलेजेस. फिर फीस बिकम हाफ. यार 2,000 रुपये की फीस है तुम्हारी, तुम वो देखो. सो वाई टू गिव NMET का एग्जाम? सिंपल लॉजिक. सो प्लस सेकेंड थिंग इज अगेन गोइंग टू द कॉलेज, यू टू फाइट विद द ओपन सीट एवरीवेयर. प्लस ऑल द कॉलेजेस वेयर द रिजर्व कैटेगरी सीट्स, फॉर एग्जाम्पल TISS, fine, there are companies also coming on campus which are hiring for SC category only. One of my student, after doing hospital management from TISS, he joined as an inspector in the government health department. I'm talking about 2-3 years ago. तो वो opportunities आपको open में नहीं आएगा. Now there are two schools of thought. One is I want to give all the exam, I want to play as an open student. Then obviously you will be giving that all the exams. Second is why to target दो exam. तुम्हारे पास वैसे exam कम है क्या जो तुम और कर रहे हो? Yeah. So first exam you can avoid is NMET exam because there is no advantage being from a category student. All the seats are open. Yeah. Point number one. Point number two, so after NMET exam, we have CAT exam. Yes, I'll give CAT exam. I'll give IFTEC exam because after that we have the IFTEC exam. Second exam we can avoid is MICA. So after IFT, next week is going to be MICA exam. Now, if you are hell bent of nahi mujhe MICA jana hai, I want to do media advertising, yes, then please go for the MICA. Then I'm not talking about that. Yeah. Otherwise, there is no advantage going there. Fees is full fees have to pay. So why to do that? Avoidable. So NMET, MICA. Next week of MICA, next week after MICA is Symbiosis का exam. तो SNAP we can give because it's SC, ST category, PWD category, OBC नहीं है वहाँ पे. But there are a lot of colleges accepting Symbi scores, so I can give the exam. That again, yes, I'll give the exam. I already talked about that in the last video, so I want to focus on the exam we should avoid. Yeah. So ZAT. Then next week we have ZAT. I'll want you to avoid that. ZAT, CMAT, ATMA, MAT, all the exams we can avoid. So NMAT, ZAT, main exam which we can avoid is NMAT, ZAT, MICAT, CMAT, ATMA, MAT. Because there is all open seats in them. Why to focus on them? Instead of that, I want to focus on more on those colleges which have reservation. Yeah. Yes, among you, there are some reserved category students who want to apply for XLRI. They want to go for that. Then obviously you should go ahead with that. I'm not saying that. But today I want to talk about the colleges where you have the benefit. Why don't we take that benefit? ठीक है, तो CAT, CET, IFT, SNAP, TISS और एक और कॉलेज था यार, कोई तो एक और. There were 6 colleges which I talked in the last video. I want to focus on those videos. So guys, every Wednesday I'm making this video for the reserved category student. So it's a request for you to please like the video because I got a lot of negative comments and negative dislikes. Negative comments I can remove, but the negative dislikes I can remove that. So if you like it, so that we can maintain a good like to dislike ratio. So please do comment which all exam you want to focus on. Whether you want to focus on only the open category wale exam as well or only reserved category exam. So I'm going to put this as a post on my Instagram today, that whether you want to go for all the exams or only focus exam. Yeah, so please do comment there if you want to do that. In the description box I given the link for my Instagram, whether you want to go for all the exam or the open reservation wale sare exam or only for the exam where you have the category, so that I can use that thing. But overall your target should be to give 4-5 exams. Don't give 10 exams यार, you can't survive that many exams. Plus इतना खर्चा क्यों करने का? Average fees is 2,000 rupees per exam. I can't pay 2,000 rupees into 10 exams. Yeah. So 20,000 rupees only to buy the forms. Then college का form अलग से have to buy. Rather than that, I'll focus on the exam which are good. Yeah. So there are a lot of advantages we just talked about. Number one, there is no advantage going there. Yeah, admission में problem. अंदर जाने के बाद I have to fight with the all open seats. Second problem. So third problem is going to be the colleges, the companies which are coming on campus specifically for the category students. So all the government, a lot of government companies come to campus. So we can advantage. There will be no advantage of those things. Placement wise, obviously, if you go to Narsee Monjee, you will get a 18, 19, 20 ka package. If you go to XLRI, you will get a 25 ka package. SP Jain, for example, you get a 25 ka package. That is going to be my next video. We can target that as well. But keep an eye on the exam. ये तो देना ही देना. उसके अलावा आपको XLRI देना है 2. But focus on CAT, IFT more than ZAT exam, MICA exam, because there is no advantage. Fees ka advantage, last part is fees ka advantage. There are 4-5 advantages we have. Companies which are coming on campus, admission के लिए advantage because there are reserved category seats, the cutoff is low. Third advantage we talked about is your third का था भूल जाता हूँ यार, मैंने on camera ना तो my half of the brain is not working. So point number 3 was that fees reduction हो गया, fees कम है, admission easily होगा. Companies which are coming on campus. Number 4, competition will be less as compared to other people. And number 5 advantage, तो number 5 मेरे को याद नहीं आ रहा अभी. So there are a lot of advantages focusing on the colleges which have the reserved category student. Okay, so you can focus on that. So please do comment whether you want to focus on all the exams or focus on the reserved category student, and on the Instagram also you can check out that post. All the best.